Your phone isn't broken. It's just reading your sweat. Welcome to the mechanical lie. We've been sold a fantasy that glass is a window. It's not. It's a skin, and it's constantly measuring the electrostatic field of your body. Back in 1995, screens were resistive, two flexible layers. You pressed them together. Simple, crude, like using a crowbar to send a text. Modern displays use capacitive sensing, a hidden grid of conductive lines. Your finger doesn't press down. You distort the field. Why does flesh work? Because your body is a walking capacitor. Salty skin, water content, you're basically a wet wire. Put on rubber gloves, instant blackout. The grid can't complete the circuit. It's not magic. It's basic physics wearing a UX mask. So why does your $1 stylus fail? It's an insulator. It lacks the dielectric properties to pull enough charge from the grid. Or trying to pick a lock with a butter knife. Active styluses use battery-powered oscillating fields. But honestly, your thumb is the original input device. Stop over-engineering it. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, ghost touch. You hate it, I defend it. That phantom tap, it's predictive UI. The firmware is just trying to anticipate your next move. It's not a bug, it's aggressive UX. You're mad because the screen cares too much. But wait, moisture breaks the illusion. Water droplets have a higher dielectric constant than dry glass. They trick the grid into thinking you're a giant, sweaty thumb. Suddenly, your phone thinks you're swiping through a puddle. Engineering fix, differential sensing. The firmware runs debounce algorithms. It waits for consistent signals before committing. But the grid's pixel pitch is so fine, a single raindrop triggers 3 capacitors. The result? Chaotic scrolling. You blame the manufacturer. I blame the laws of electromagnetism. Here's the core deception. We think we're touching glass. We're not. We're interacting with a microscopic mesh of indium tin oxide. The glass is just a protective shell. You're literally swiping on a spiderweb of conductive wire, and you're proud of it. I hear you. I miss physical buttons, clicky keyboards, haptic feedback. Cute. You're mourning a tactile experience that didn't scale. Modern UI demands zero mechanical wear. You want precision? Learn to calibrate your grip. It's not a design flaw, it's a skill issue. Let's talk latency. The signal travels from finger to grid to processor in milliseconds, but structural stress from drops, the mesh fractures. Now your phone thinks you're constantly pinching. You think it's haunted. It's just a broken circuit, so stop fighting it. Embrace the chaos. Your screen is a living electrostatic organ. It reads your temperature. It predicts your taps. It occasionally throws a tantrum because you forgot to wash your hands. That's not a flaw. That's the future. Next time your phone taps back, don't factory reset it. Just apologize. And tell me in the comments, are you team resistive nostalgia or team capacitive chaos? I'll be down here, swiping on my spiderweb.